everybody! So I'm excited to be filming with half natural light and all of my studio lights right now. It's finally getting to the point of the year where I get a little bit of natural light, not enough that I can use it for my whole office, but I'm currently enjoying this little angle, which I usually face that way. Before I get way too into things, let me just say that if you are interested about anything that's on my face or what I'm wearing or literally what I'm wearing, my extensions, what I use today, I have coupon codes for a lot of things down below if you're interested. So just check out the info box and I'll list everything from like products and tools and all that, as usual, down below. Today we're going to be talking about NatureBox, which sadly I can't give you guys like a fabulous shot because of my address. This might be easier just to put this big blah cube in front. But yes, this is what NatureBox looks like. And it's something that I actually am signed up for. I already ordered my next month's box. I really like the snacks, surprisingly. I don't know why I had this assumption that it would just taste super healthy. Not like I have anything against being healthy. The guilty pleasure snacks are usually more tasteful. Tasty. What I really enjoy is that they have a lot of variety. They have over 100 different snacks, and 70 of them are vegan, 40 are soy free, 90 are dairy free, there are 60 that are nut free, there's glucose conscious ones. Like, it's very good for anyone who might have certain allergies. I am blessed that I am not allergic to anything, so I can really snack on just about everything. I do have a coupon code. If you want to use Snack Attack, you get 50% off your first box, and I'll get into the pricing of everything in just a second. I get nothing from you guys using that code or the link down below. I really don't make a cent. You guys can see on the site that says that you get $10 credit for referring a friend, but my link doesn't do that, I promise. NatureBox has 3 different options that allows you to pick how many snacks you would like. And like a lot of things, the more you buy, the more you save. So there are 3 options, which one is 5 snacks, the next one is 10 snacks, and the one after that is 20 snack bags. If you want to try a lot of their snacks, definitely order the 20 snack bag box for $50, because then you can get it for 25 bucks. It's like getting 15 bags almost for free, because otherwise you'd be paying, if you paid full price for the 5 snack box, it's 20 bucks. Like, if you look at it all, I know I sound like I'm saying a lot of numbers. It just makes more sense if you want to try a lot of things, but whatever, use the code for whatever you guys would like. They picked out the snacks that they sent me, but you do have the option to add snacks to your pantry, and then you can pick out, you know, what snacks you want, or you can always save certain snacks. Like, you want this one every month, you want to try this one the next one. Now YouTube needs to hurry up and get smell-o-vision and taste-o-vision, because that would help me a lot in this. I'm a little guilty in the fact that I ate a lot of the snacks already, but I shot clips before I finished everything. The first thing would be the healthiest thing, which is the Big Island pineapple. I have close-up shots of everything. I'm just going to hold it up just for, you know, visual sake. These are dried pineapple rings, and this is a 3.1 ounce bag, and everything has a little summary on the back. Everything is without any trans fat, which is awesome. I was really impressed when I read that there's no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial sweeteners, artificial flavors, artificial colors, 0 grams of trans fat. This is like the healthy, guilt-free snacks, which is good for me, and the fact that if my kids want to steal some of my snacks, which, you know, moms out there, that everything you have to share unless you hide in a room and eat it. I don't feel bad giving them some dried pineapple rings. I didn't like these at first, to be honest. They were just a little too chewy for me. I don't hate them though. I've been snacking on them on my desk. I just leave the bags at my desk because they're very chewy. They have the consistency of like a fruit roll-up. Really good. Must say I'm more of a fresh pineapple girl, but I did order the dried peaches for my next box. So excited for that. The Sriracha roasted cashews. Hello, Sriracha. Technically, it's pronounced Sriracha in Thai with the accent. That's how my mom says it, Sriracha. But yeah, Sriracha. These don't taste exactly like Sriracha, I'll be honest. Just like the Lay's potato chips that taste like, or Sriracha flavor. Those taste like ketchup. The calories vary from every bag, but for the most part, every serving size is like around like 100, 120, 150 calories. The best comparison I have to the flavor of these cashews would be the hot chips. I'll post a picture right here. If you ever had these, which are definitely not healthy for you, but they're really, really good and addicting. That's exactly what these nuts taste like, but they're just a healthier alternative. I also like, I just spit, didn't I? I also like that I can understand the ingredients. It's very straight up. It says cashews, corn syrup, seasoning. They break down the seasoning to cornstarch, sea salt, garlic powder. I knew there was one bag missing, so it came, like I said, with 5 bags, and I think someone stole my last bag. It was on my desk, but it was the dark chocolate almonds. Oh my god. I ate those so fast. I'm more of a sweet snack person. Those were so good. They weren't messy. They didn't melt in your hands. They were just a really nice chocolate covered almond. So those were my second favorite of the box. My favorite would be the ones that are no longer really existent. There's a few crumbs in this bag. Can't wait for the crumbs. They're so good. These are the blueberry almond bites. They're crispy almond and rice squares with blueberries. Think of Rice Krispies treats, but so much better. I love these. I ordered these again, and I ordered the mango version of this, the mango almond bites. I'm pretty sure they're going to be just as amazing, and I love mango. They're my favorite fruit. Ava, my oldest daughter, she ate them all. I mean, I ate a lot of them too, but then she caught me eating them because they kind of, you know, they crunch a little bit. They don't hurt your teeth, and they're not sticky either, so I don't feel bad giving them to her. And they have dried blueberries in them, so okay, all good. The last thing would be the only one that is still full. The only reason that it's still full is because it has shells in it. These are pistachios. These are the peppery pistachios, and I thought I would save my reaction to these for the camera. They're not as easy to snack on because there are shells, you know, and I'm a lazy snacker. Let's see. Ah! I lost my shell. Now I'm tasting the pepper. It has a little bit of an after spicy effect. Honestly, I'm loving it. I am just so excited to finally share it with you guys because, like I said, I've been eating them like crazy, and it's not a good look. Well, it is a good look, but it's not a good look to show you guys empty bags. I apologize. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you are interested, like I said, discount codes are down below and links for a lot of things. I want to try to include my favorite snack from all of my monthly nature boxes in my monthly favorites at the end of the month. Thank you guys as always for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. They are high-waisted, and if you don't want to wear like a crop top with it, 'cause that would actually be really, really cute, you could always wear a shirt that's